Hello everyone, Habibi here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share a content management system program written in PHP to create a virtual library. So with this content management system you can create a website, and in that website you can upload some ebooks files in PDF format, and then every time you upload the PDF file you will get a QR code, and everyone that scan that QR code will directly open that ebook and they will able to read it online. So here is the source code. I will share the link of this source code in the description of this video, and here I'm going to demonstrate how you can use it. So first of all, let's create a folder here in my localhost installation directory. I have this one, htdocs/projects, and I will create a new directory. I call it scannable books. Enter this directory. I will copy this path. I download the source code, download as zip file, paste the path and save it here. Then I extract the zip file. I go inside it, copy all the files, Ctrl X to cut and Ctrl V to paste it here. I delete these two files, this file and this directory, because I don't need them, and I delete these two files also. Then the next step is to edit this db file here. We can set some options here. This one is username and this one is password for the admin, and this one is the base URL of our online library. If you have your own domain, you can type your own domain like onlinelibrary.com or something else. And in my case, because I'm using localhost, my exam is running here, my Apache and my SQL is running here, so I will change the base URL to this localhost slash, the directory is projects slash scannable books. I will just copy this, and yeah, and this is the title of the website. I will change it to Online Library, and the host of the database will be localhost. The user will be root, and it doesn't have password, so I will use it this way. And for the database name, we need to create the database first. Here I'm going to my PHP my admin, my localhost, to create a new database. Just go here and enter a database name. For example, I will name it my all lib. Let's say this is our database name. I will create a database with this name. I set a collation to UTF-8 general CI and click create. Now we have this database created, and let's go back here, and that's all. We can start the initial setup of this CMS or content management system. I will copy this path and paste it here, change this part to localhost and press enter. No, go to the end of the line and add this sign and type admin, press enter. Here we need to enter the username and password as we defined here in this file, in this case admin and admin. I will just click login button. Now I'm inside the administration system or admin panel. Here we have these menus, and forgive me because the title, the text here are in Bahasa Indonesia. Later if you like, I will add English version, or I will add transliteration feature of this CMS, but for now this is what I have. Later if you want to support me, you can make some donation. I will add some changes to make it fit your need. Okay, here semua buku means all the books, and here is to add the books. Tambah buku means add the books, and here is categories. I will add some categories, for example social, and I will add another category politics. Now we have two categories here, and we have pin here. I will let you know how to use it later. And let's add some book. Here I will type some book. I will name it my first book. Oh yeah, I almost forgot something. This is very important, and here you need to add a folder with this name UPL. In this folder we will store the PDF files, the cover book images, and the QRCode files. Okay, we have this folder now, and we are ready to upload our books. Let's use some PDF file. Hang on a second. Okay guys, I have these two files here. This is cover file in my desktop. I will click to open it, and then here I will choose the PDF file. This is a sample PDF file. I will choose it, and then we can choose the category and click upload. Now we have this book uploaded. If we go to the main page, you can copy this address and paste it here. You press enter, you will see your book is uploaded here. Let me add another book. Hang on, I will try to add another book. I name it my second book. Choose file. I choose this cover image, and I will choose the same sample PDF file, and let me click upload. Now we have two books here. If you refresh the home page, you will see two books here, and they are the categories. You can change the text here on the source code. I know you will be able to find out how to change the text, because it is very easy. Just edit some text here in the source code. Okay, let me click the first book. This one is the first book. I click it, and you can see the cover of the book. Click it, open it. You can read it online. And then what I'm going to show you here is the QR code for each book. This one is the QR code. If you scan this QR code, you will be redirected to the page of the book, the respective book. You can try it. And yeah, this is this QR code. And one more thing that I'm going to show it to you is this feature, the pin feature. It is to lock some book, so you can have some book not accessible by all people except for those who have the pin. You can set the pin here. Let's say the pin will be 1234, and click simpan or save. Now you can set which book is locked and which one is not locked. And for example, this first book, I'm going to lock it. Now it is locked. If you go to open the first book, you will be asked for the pin. You need to enter the pin 1 2 3 4. You will be able to see the book. And if you want to open the second book, because it is not locked, you can open it directly. Just please note that the lock or a pin feature is not completely secure, so anyone with simple knowledge of JavaScript will be able to retrieve what is the pin and will be able to see the book, the locked book. So I think you can improve it if you know how to do it. And that's all from me. It is a free open source program. You can just feel free to use it and let me know if you have any question. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.